This is from Maria's multiplication home connection, page 79, and this is a refresher on how to use the standard algorithm to complete a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. In this case, for this particular problem, they've started the first step and then asked the student to finish it for Maria. So Maria, we start off with the ones place. In this case, we have a 7. So Maria started off multiplying the ones from the bottom number times the ones place in the top number. So 7 times 4 is 28. Because 28 has a tens and a ones, the 8 is in the ones place down below, and the 2 is in the tens place because it is a 10. Then we move on to multiplying those 7 ones by the tens. So 7 ones times 8 tens is 56 tens, plus the 2 tens that we had before, gives us a total of 58 tens. And so we're going to record the 5 in the hundreds place and the 8 in the tens place. And that is what they've learned to do in 4th grade. Now in 5th grade, we've added on this next layer of a 2-digit number. I'm going to switch colors just so we can kind of see what's happening. So we've multiplied the 7 in the ones place. We're done with that. Some students like to cross that out so they don't get confused with what that is. We then put a 0 here in the ones place because now we're multiplying by tens. So when we have 3 tens, we're really multiplying by 30. So here's that 0 here to show that it's 3 tens. And then multiply to do 3 tens times the 4 ones in 84, and that's going to be 12 tens. So 12 tens is really 120. So I've put my 1 here and my 2 tens there and my 0 there. So we see the 120 for 12 tens. 3 tens times 8 tens is 24 tens, plus 1 more 10 is 25. 3 tens times 8 tens is going to be 240, plus 1 more would be 225 hundreds. So I'm going to put that in the hundreds place. So now we have the partial product of multiplying the 3 tens, or the 30 in red, the 7 ones times 84 was 588 in orange. And now our final step is to add those two partial products together to get our total. So if we add up 8 plus 0, we have 8 ones. Whoops. Let's try that again. 8 plus 0 is 8 ones, much better. 8 tens plus 2 tens is 10 tens. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So keeping with our place values, we have 3,108 as our final product.